Welcome to your CannaCraft Tour. We are the makers of AbsoluteXtracts, Care by Design, and Satori chocolates. Today we're going to take you to our headquarters. We're going to visit our lab, our extraction sites, but we're starting here with the garden. This is where it all begins. We want to take you through, show you what CannaCraft is all about today. Come take a look. Here we are at Critical Solutions. This is where our team builds all of our CO2 extractors. Right, we're gonna move on over and see these things in action. Here we are at our soft gel machine where we have a run of 18:1 soft gels coming out now. All right, here we are in the lab. This is where we batch test each of our products to ensure potency and purity before it hits the shelves. Let's roll into packaging and check these guys out while they get the products ready for the shelf. Let's pop in and take a quick look. Fist pump. Good job, guys. Looking good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, I want to show you guys the bottling line. Come on. Okay, so we teamed up with Lagunitas Brewing Company to create Hi-Fi Hops. This is the first cannabis-infused sparkling water on the market. It is delicious. Okay, we're here in the Satori Infusion Lab. This is where we pan and produce all of our bites, all of our bars, our gummies, and do R&D for all future products. All right, that's gonna wrap up our CannaCraft Tour. I hope you enjoyed it. We have a lot of exciting new things coming down the line, and we'll be sure to keep you updated. Thank you so much.